Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Just here with the baby Viper. One question I get from my friends a lot is how do I keep my car so shiny? So today I'm going to show my washing process, which is also washing and adding a sealant afterward. This is something that I do every time I wash the car. So I'm going to show you what I have here first. I've got my 2 buckets, one with the wash, which is Adam's Rinseless wash. That's what I use right now. And then I've got my clear bucket, my nice clean water here, and some H2O Garden Gloss. Really liking this product from Adam's, so I'm not necessarily an Adam's fan or, I guess, junkie. I do have other products, but these are the ones that I like for my daily wash right now. Okay, so I also have my wash mitt in here, and this is like a chenille microfiber. You can use one of these. I've got a towel to wipe, and then I've got a clean one to kind of buff off. So I'm going to show you real quick the washing part. There, I get this. You don't necessarily have to wring this out. You can leave a lot of water on it, and in fact you want to. Because what we're going to do over here, if you can see where this part is still dirty, a little dirt from the last rain, you just want to gently go over the area, no pressure. Pick an area of a couple of square feet, depending on how big your car is, how hot it is, and whatnot. That's washed. We'll put this into rinse while we're waiting, because that's what that water's for, is to rinse it off, so you don't put a whole lot back into your chemical here. And the Garden Gloss, you basically use it directly over the water. So I'm pretty sure I got a clean pass here. It should be fine. So shake it up, because it tends to separate, which is good. There's a couple of different things in here. You put a little spritz on it, just like that. And then this cloth is to wipe over it. Now this cloth is a little bit damp, and that's kind of what you want, because you want to smooth this over the surface, just like that. And you'll see it dries the surface pretty quickly. I mean, not just the towel, but the combination of that and the chemical, making it hydrophobic, the surface hydrophobic. So put that back down here, and I've got this one, which I use just to barely, you can't quite see it on the video, but there's still a little bit of water left. And that's pretty much it. Nice and clean. I'll move to the next section again. Show you what I do here. I'm going to pick this up. I'll wring it out. Can't tell, but the water's a little bit dirty. Re-dip it in here. Get some clean, or some chemical on the clean towel. Come back here. Do another section. Just really lightly. And you can go back over it if it's really dirty and it's not really taking a whole lot off. You can rinse your towel and go back over it. This, like I said, is already pretty well protected because I do this every time, so the dirt tends to glide off of it. Put that in there, and that will rinse. Do another spritz. There. And then we will wipe it dry. Just through here. These numbers are vinyl, and it's totally okay to use this stuff on vinyl, plastics, rubber. It does a really good job of sealing it and protecting it. Got a little overspray here. I put it on all of my vinyl, and it helps protect it too, so just like that. Alright, and that's pretty much how I keep it nice and shiny and the water beating off of it and protected. Thanks for watching.